Switch over. Alrighty. I love this line. Inevitable. GJ playing nicely. I like it. Yo guys, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. What is up, Shob? What is up, Mario? What is goody gang? Euro JPY, those highs, pretty prominent highs we can say. I think EJ buys might come in once we break this resistance. EJ buys might just come in. Morning, Pimpin' Pips. How's it good? How's it going? Come on, gold. Let's play out. Okay, 1950 key level. We're sitting at 1950 key level. This should be pretty interesting. And we're rejecting this 30-minute rejection on gold. That's pretty much the 500 level, 153 500. 30-minute time frame, yeah, we barely broke above it, so let's see. Today is actually looking pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. We can break up to retest those highs. $154 key level, eh? This looks pretty good to move up, but let's see what happens. We could get a move down too. And the move down looks enticing because we have a nice clean range towards the left. Good morning, Arthur B. What's good? Welcome to the stream. $19.45. That's the level I'm looking to go down towards. Let's see if we start going down. But we have such clean gold buys above this level. EJ, once we break these two previous highs, we should move up easily. Yeah. Rista, what's good? What's good, gang? Guys, like, honestly, it's so funny that the moves come in after we literally ended the session, right? Yesterday, I took these sells on GJ 45 pip sells, intense and insane sells right down, right? You can see this was just after we closed the stream, literally just after we closed the stream. And then this morning I took these 10 pip GJ sells. It ran 15 pips, but I closed out at 10. It's like, it's a good morning, right? So yeah, it's funny that most of our trades are actually coming before like after London or before London. That's funny. I really want to take a trade, Arthur, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really want to take a trade. I've been searching for trades in London, but it doesn't seem to be, you know, showing itself to us. What's up, JJ? How's it going? I really want to take a trade in London. Of course I want to take a trade with you, lads, eh? It's just that it's so weird that we literally don't get any moves in London, and we get the moves in either New York or or like post London session almost. Alright, look at GJ. We have made a high right over here. Could we call that a fake out or what? No, that's a key level, 0.800. But on GJ we have this clean range to the upside, which we would want to see. EJ has potential to break these highs today. So let's see what happens. Yeah, because we have this level too on EJ on the 30-minute time frame. That's basically here. 960, yeah, 960 could be the level. 970 and 950. There you go. Right, 30-minute closure below. We'd be expecting a continuation down, but I really feel like EJ has what it takes to go up. Jewel, what's good, man? Good morning. Good morning. I think London is avoiding me. Yeah, definitely. London is so bad. I don't know why. I don't know. I feel like, you know, Asian exhausts the market. Asian moves nicely, right? All those guys get out of their trades, and then after London, we're just left with nothing, waiting for the market to consolidate. It's like, you know, there always has to be a consolidation and then a movement, right? And we are now stuck always in that consolidation, which is funny, but yeah. Let's see if EJ can come and close below this level. I just expect it to break all these lows, only because look at the 4-hour time frame, right? That will be breaking the 4-hour low to create new lows. Alright. Very interesting. So this was the 4-hour pullback when we opened the new 4-hour candle. So we could expect multiple upside. I think NY session has been way worse than London lately. Oh really? Let's see. Yesterday's NY session. Okay, yeah, that is just sad. On EJ, it just ranged through NY. GJ, you could have caught some of these moves in NY. Yesterday, I caught it from... Yeah, here. I caught GJ from up here. And I closed out at 45 pips, right? Right over here. That's where I closed out. And yeah, GJ retraced and done its thing, you know. You know the vibe. Well, yeah, yep, definitely. I'm pretty sure that, both have a factor to it. Like, some of them show nice clean trades, some of them don't show nice clean trades. So it's fine. Whichever one you're able to catch clean trades in. What is up, Ashish? Honestly, I have no clue what's going on. I'm just getting added to like Telegram groups again and again and again, and it's really irritating. Does anyone know how to stop these spam groups? Yeah, does anyone know how to avoid getting added to these spam groups on Telegram? Good morning, Ashish. All the best for your exam, my lad. Let's see, let's do a poll. Yeah, I really want to stop getting added to those Telegram groups. That's just annoying, to be honest. Alright. Euro JPY, like I said, it really has the potential to continue up. But we need to break those highs first. This one hour breaking the previous high should run it up straight to the top. Let's see once we reach the top what we can do with it. Yesterday I got an interesting message from someone. Change this setting. I did that, Ashish. Yeah. Well, yeah. Good morning, Rajiv. What's good? Bro, where is 4-hour flip on EJ? Right here, bro, in the middle of the range. This is gonna, if we break the previous 1 hour high, we're just gonna continue all the way up. Right, can you all see this consolidation that we're in? We need to wait to break out. That breakout, if we break the previous 1 hour high, like I said, which was right over here. Lemuel, did you call yesterday sells? Yep, I called the trade idea on stream, and that happened just after we closed the stream, Lemuel. Which was a little sad that we couldn't catch it on stream. But those are absolute banger sells, eh? Right over here. 45 pips sells. $420 banked from that one trade. So yeah, it was pretty good. Like, the idea was always there. It was the implementation that was necessary from your side. All right, let's take a look. So EJ is gonna move in this range until we break out. GJ, let's see GJ. All right, GJ is trying to find the pace, so let's just let it find its pace. Good luck today, Sam. Smash that market. Yo, I think DYJ Global, what's good, man? Hope you had an insane Asian session. The last 2 days I haven't been at the Asian session much. And guys, today also will be a little bit of a short stream. I need to head out for some time for a lunch meeting, so so we're gonna give out the ideas and you all have to implement the ideas. All right. Okay, the 4 look at GJ. All right, 4 right, it's come till the previous 4 low, right? And so that is the level which we're looking at. We actually have to increase our level up to there. So let's change our level to the 200 level, and our zone is going to be correlated with the 1 hour levels. Can you see that? So as you look at it, the 4 hour level is right over there. So that's primarily what I'm going to look for, a 30-minute closure below this level for continuation or the move up. So Euro JPY is struggling to break this previous high. Alright, can you all see that? It's struggling to break it. Can you see? Yo, Bami, long time no see, man. Can you see a head and shoulder pattern on GJ? Head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder. I'm so sorry guys, I don't do head and shoulders, but I'm trying to spot it. I just do, you know, reversal of trend or whatever. I guess on this 15-minute that'll be the shoulder. How to trade less? What do you mean how to trade less, Akin? Like, are you over trading? Is that the problem? Is it a problem of over trading? Sahil, good morning lad, how's it going? How's everybody doing today? Come on, what's good, fam? Okay, gold looks pretty neat. We just gotta wait for this level to break. After that we should be good to go. What is our level that we're looking at? 9. Yeah, I'm waiting for 1950 to break. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't want to take a trade before that. 1950 is the main level. Morning event. In a month, like how to trade less in a month. Okay, so like how to not over trade in a month. EMD Productions, good morning lad, welcome back to the stream. Quick look at Euro USD please. All right, since you said please, let's take a quick look at it. Quick look. Oh, Euro USD pushing up since morning, We got a nice little level up here. Oh, look at that clean traffic on Euro USD. What are we talking about over here? We got some clean traffic moving up. I'd say Euro USD, be careful at these highs, we could fake out. Okay, be careful at these highs, we could fake out. Like yesterday we broke the 30-minute high and we faked out. So I'd say be really careful at these highs. There's a potential for a fake out. And so if the US dollar continues to keep falling, right, then we could expect the continuation to the upside. And right now, yeah, these buys would have been insane from these previous lows right over here, right? So let's go to the lower time frame, 15 minute. Yeah, 15-minute time frame was just perfect. Yeah, those buys would have been insane from these lows, but it's all right. It's all right. You're gonna find bigger, better trades. All right, EJ breaking up. Is GJ also breaking up? Let's see what GJ does. EJ is not able to close. It kind of broke that previous 1 hour high, but it wasn't able to close. A 5-minute candle outside the range. Can you see EJ ranging, guys? Check the lower time frame. We're making our barcode. We're making a really nice, sweet little barcode on EJ. Good morning. No problem. Rohit, what's good, lad? Welcome to the stream today. Shyam Johnson, welcome to the stream. What's good? Tracy, how's everyone doing? Lemuel, how you doing, lad? How's everyone doing? I mean, on gold. On gold. Oh, my bad. On gold. Okay, on gold. I see what you mean. Shoulder, head, shoulder, eh? I'm so sorry. I'm just not used to trading head and shoulders. But yeah. Come on, let's go below 1950. This 15-minute candle was a really nice sell. Sweet, simple sell. Right? Now, hopefully, when price comes and closes below 1950, we can get a good trade. Because I don't want to get faked out over here, you know? Previously faked out. So yeah, let's hope that gold closes below and gives us a good one. What is the difference between OTF instant and so that's instant funding? Okay, so you pay and you get funded instantly, right? And the monthly is you pay for it and you do challenges and stuff like that. Phase 1, phase 2. Morning to you, man. Yo, Mohammed Yudi, what's good, man? Welcome to the stream. How's it going? Mark, good afternoon, Mark. Welcome back to the stream. Always good to have Mark on the stream. Mark is an absolute pillar of good psychology. So yeah, I love it. And so Rohit, where am I from? I'm from India, mate. I think, guys, from now on, I'm just gonna put one name tag over here and put India right over here. Right? I think that's the #1 question everyone loves asking me. Where am I from, eh? Had your breakfast? How's your morning? Shyam Johnson, not yet, man. I haven't had breakfast. Cause I'm going out for a lunch meeting today, so yeah. How is your morning? So far, so good. I had a banger trade in the morning on GJ. And guys, yesterday, I'm so sorry, like we closed the stream, like I said yesterday, we closed the stream and then I caught a 45 pip banger on GJ, right? Just as I had called those lows to be broken, right? And it happened exactly the way we called it. And right over here, this morning, I caught a nice little 15 pip drop on GJ. I closed out at 10, but it dropped nice 15 pips on GJ right over here. When we closed back and rejected it. 1 second. Where is that? Rejected. It was a 15-minute kind of engulfing kind of candle. GG. Where did I take it? It looked very different in my eyes, but yeah. Oh, it was a 45-minute engulfing candle. Yep. This was it. You see this? Yep, this was exactly it. Right over there, 15-minute breaking those previous lows. And that's the trade I took. It ran 15 pips, but I only took 10. You know me and how conservative I am with my 10 pip TPs. And so yeah, I had a very small stop. It was just a 5 pip stop. So yeah, that was really good. You know, after the 5-minute closed bullish, I didn't want price to go above the 5-minute candle, right? So I didn't want the 5-minute to turn into a bullish market structure to continue up. So that's why I closed at 10 pips, you know, because we were approaching these lows and stuff like that. So I was just like, let me get out of it. So yeah. All right. Do you know about funded next firm. Yep, I know funded next firm. Right now I do have an offer from funded next. If y'all guys want me to try funded next, let me know. All right, Immobile, hit the like button. Thank you so much, man. Guys, come on, if you're here early and you're ready for that London session banger, come on, hit that like button. I took a trade as well yesterday in GJ. Beautiful, Shyam Johnson. If you can send in a chart, that will be awesome, so we know what it is. And so let me just check what's happening on the chart. Okay, not much here. There you go, EJ. I told you if we broke that previous 1 hour high, right? I told you if we break this previous 1 hour high, we should move to the top. That's what's happening. I want EJ to move right to the top because we need to break this level of resistance held since yesterday. Right? So let's just mark this out. Okay. Let's just bring this together. Okay. So resistance held since yesterday. What time was this? 11:30 London session. Yep, so there you go. That's why we're looking for buys above 250. Alright. Alright, good morning, Vis. Welcome. I'm -5. I'm -5% down on my verification. I have more than a week to pass it. Alright, Salomon Gonzalez. Now it's time to focus up. Now it's time to restructure the trades you're gonna take. Alright, EJ, what did I tell y'all? Once we break the 1 hour high, where are we going? I told y'all we're going right to the top. That's a 10 pip banger right over there. So now we're gonna wait for it. This is pre-London volume. So now we need to see whether we can close up above here at London Open. I feel like this may just continue though. This 1 hour candle pushing up, breaking the 4 hour highs. Yeah, this looks pretty interesting, but we're gonna wait for it. We need a candle closure above that level, right? GJ is moving down. So today, if you notice, guys, look at it. Today GJ and EJ are moving opposite, right? Look at EJ 30-minute time frame. Look at GJ 30-minute time frame, right? Can y'all see that? They're moving opposite. Yeah, Euro is really pushing today. So Euro USD hit buy stop. Okay, beautiful. Oh, look at that move. What are we talking about on Euro USD? What did I tell you? Once we break above this region, it's meant to continue up to this clean traffic. So yeah, beautiful. I have more than a month. My bad. No problem, Solomon. You got this, man, Solomon. Trust me, it's not that hard if you're just able to focus and discipline yourself to the trades you want to see, right? Looks like news candles. Yep, that actually does look like news candles. I want to see what influenced it, right? But EJ will continue up if we close above this level nicely. Chart from yesterday. All right, Shyam Johnson. Let me just open it up and check it out. Man, why am I getting added to so many groups on Telegram? I want to delete it. Let me just open it here. Let's go here, copy link of chart image. Alright, 1 second. Copy this. Let's go. Oh, beautiful trade, Shyam Johnson. Beautiful trade. That's an absolute beauty. Yeah, for me, when we compare notes, I took it from just below over here. That was my level. That's an absolute beauty. That's all I can say. So you took it from up here, right? For me, I waited for that double confirmation and I took it from right over here. The break of this 4 hour low. Right over here. An absolute beauty. That's it. That's how we do it out here. We focus up and we find the good. I wonder where the Cowboys are. We should enter now West, Trident, and Trends and Tracy. I think Tracy and all are right there if I'm not mistaken, so yeah. Yo, come on, man. Leave me alone. Stop adding me to groups. Alright, beautiful. Looks like a news scandal. Yup. But Euro JPY does look like it's gonna continue up. We broke the previous 4-hour high, and it looks like it's gonna continue up. Yeah, the trade was from here, right? It's a nice little 20 pip banger right over there. I love calling out price action, honestly. Like I told you guys, once we break this 1-hour high, we should be good to go. Right over here, beautiful. But yeah, let's see if EJ has what it takes to close up over there. If EJ closes up over there and GJ forms slight bullish market structure over here and closes this 15-minute over these levels, then we could expect EJ to continue up and GJ to also continue up to retest the top of the range. What time frame closure are you waiting for? 30-minute time frame closure, Bami, because we've never closed above this level in the 30-minute time frame. Gold just doing its thing. Alright, we got this. We got this, let's go. I think GJ is making higher low. Then we'll go up, right? Yep, so on GJ, that's what I said. If we're able to close above these levels, yeah, then we can consider it. But until then, we can't consider it. And so we gotta wait for that London volume. Is London volume gonna come and push us back to retest those highs from yesterday's London session? We couldn't break it in yesterday's London session also. So will we break it today? Nobody knows, but we are about to find out. But the 4-hour candle is gonna come down, so let's see. If the 4-hour candle comes down too deep, we can have a break of the 4-hour candle low to continue pushing down. So yeah, guys, whoever wants to join us on Discord or whatever, feel free to join us on Discord. The link is in the description and in the chat right now. If you want to join our Telegram server, feel free to join it. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, right, feel free to join it. And so yeah, we got a pretty good, decently sized community. There's around 275 of us, and we're only growing. We want to have more of you all right there to catch those bangers, right? And so we're waiting for the 30-minute closure on Euro JPY as we're waiting for the 30-minute closure on GBP JPY, right? Because what we need to see on GJ is what are we going to do at these lows, right? Are we going to reject these lows or are we going to break these lows? So that's what we need to find out on GJ. Because if we're going to reject these lows, then we want to see some lower time frame bullish market structure, right? Sheesh, EJ gonna continue pushing Euro USD. What are we talking about? If you were in Euro USD with the buy stop, where you should be up 15 or 16 pips, you should be stops at BE and just chilling, honestly. I don't know what you can, like, you know, I don't know what you're looking at, but that's exactly what you should be looking for. Those clean, nice clean trades. Look at, so now let's see, GJ is gonna come back up. Can we see it on the lower time frame if it's much cleaner, right? Okay, so in 7 minutes GJ is gonna close respecting this region on the 45-minute time frame. Okay, so once we close, could we expect a wick down on GJ and then a candle going up is the question, right? Is this just respecting this previous support and everything to push back up, or what? EJ is continuing to push. EJ, we can have more buys up over here. Let's look at our nice big zones. Yeah, all right. On Euro JPY, maybe it's a fake RDC. So that's what, Rajiv, that's what, if we're going to take Euro JPY now, we're either going to take it based off a retest to prove that this is not a faker and continuation to the upside. That's the only reason we can take it. Okay, Euro USD closing 80%. Beautiful. Howdy, brothers. What's up, Mudas TV? What's good, lad? Welcome back to the stream. I'm able Euro USD 80% stop loss. Oh, beautiful. That's a beautiful trade. You're winning right now, eh? You're winning right now. For anyone who's got a trade in the morning, let's go. Beautiful stuff. That is beautiful. You guys deserve it. Creepy TV, welcome back. Got a runner. Yep, let it run. Let it run nicely. So we need to see the price action on GJ right over here. So why have I drawn these two zones, right? So I want to see whether price is going to respect this 45 minutes support, or is price going to disrespect this 30-minute support right over here, right? So we're seeing on two time frames, a multiple time frame analysis basically, right? So that's what we want to notice and watch out for. All right, we want to be careful because we don't want to mix up anything right over here. Let's just take super clean trades. You can see we got nice clean traffic on different time frames. Of course, like look at this level on gold would be nice to buy above, but I think, yeah, I think we're good enough to buy above here, 1 hour time frame. So Euro JPY, we need to see a kind of pullback, a rejection. So we need to see a possible rejection of this level. Why? Because we need to confirm that this is not a fake out. So if we get a pullback on the 15-minute time frame, a rejection, and then a continuation, that would be fantastic. But GJ on the other hand looks like it's going to close bullish engulfing over here, right? Bullish engulfing. So let's just see what that would look like. GJ looks intriguing, I'm not gonna lie. It's just that I don't have much confidence. See, we are in this bullish market movement, right? Let's see what happens. Euro JPY just continuing up. I think, like I said, since this was a previous resistance, it's just gonna gap up like properly. GBP USD, please look. So sorry, two people asked GBP NZD and GBP USD. So let's just look at GBP NZD first, then move on to GBP USD. GBP NZD, interesting. It's not really clean, to be honest. Yeah, there's nothing clean on GBP NZD, I'm not gonna lie to you. There's no need to be forcing a trade on GBP NZD. Yeah, there's really nothing to look at GBP NZD for. Go look for some nice clean trades, you know, because GBP NZD is not gonna give that to you. GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD, look at this level. Alright, such clean traffic, right? You got a nice 30 pip range to the upside. So yeah, look for this clean traffic. We look to breaking this major resistance right from the past to continue up. But if we do reject this level, right, reject this level and then break our support, and we can start coming down. Alright guys, I'll be around for another 45 minutes to an hour. Euro JPY rejecting, GJ rejecting. Alright, so now with this GJ rejection, okay, so if we do reject this and close down below this level on the 30-minute time frame. Alright, so we need the 30-minute to come down now. So if we do reject and come down all the way, then I would say I'm really interested in GJ. I'm not gonna lie. But until then, we're not interested in GJ. We're seeing some volume move the market right now, but right now it's indecisive. Let's just wait on it. Euro CAD, please. Alright. Guys, can y'all send me charts? Okay, I don't mind opening it for y'all, but I don't know what you guys are looking for. If you guys are looking for something, I can help out so much better. Euro CAD has pushed up quite a bit. 70 pips for the morning, eh? Let's see what happens at this level. And if we break that level, we should move up to there. But at this level, if we form a support and break it over here, we could start moving back down. That's what my personal opinion on EuroCAD is. If we continue breaking, we'll continue right to the top. So Mudus TV, I trade GJ, EJ and gold. Tell me how to watch Bloomberg and you in the same time. Buy me a Bloomberg subscription and I'll play it for you live on the stream. How about that? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's see. GJ now. Alright. If we break this high, we should continue up. Not gonna lie, on the 15-minute time frame, breaking two previous 15-minute highs. Alright. Right over here. Yeah, once we break these highs, we should continue. So that looks pretty decent to continue, not gonna lie. So the 45-minute time frame is your confluence. But remember, you're still in this range and you still have these rejections right over here. But according to price action now, right, we've rejected this level, we've created a higher low. So now, will we be able to continue up? We will find out. This is not a trade like I would personally take, only because of these rejections so close by. Yo, thank you for the sub. Who is that? Anthony Webb, thank you for the sub, guys. Come on. Guys, come on, hit the like button if you're on the stream so more people get to see our channel, right? Come on, smash that like button. Let's run it up. There's 43 of us. Let's run it up to 40 likes at least. Come on. What are y'all doing? Let's move it. Come on. In gold, buys safe above the current resistance. Yup, buys are safe above the current resistance. Euro JPY about to continue up. That's what we're waiting for on gold, to see like some form of confirmation. So buys on gold above 1954. There you go. It's just key levels, guys. We're looking for key levels to buy above and sell below, right? Euro USD closing runner. Well, she was running, that's what I can say. But, I feel Euro USD might continue because the 15-minute has no top wick, so when it goes to create that, it'll move. One thing I remember is IC market and ECN broker. Yes, IC market is it only me or what?
but I do not like to buy at support and sell at resistance like now GBP JPY is forming. Yeah, I agree with you on that, Rista. I completely agree with you on that. So yeah, this was just a small trade idea for them when the 45-minute closed. But the thing is, on the 45-minute time frame, we have rejections, right? So even if I was in this trade, I'd be at break even already, right? So even if I had entered over here, because of the 45-minute resistances, I would already be at break even, right? Because I don't want this trade to go back on me, right? So right now I'd be at break even, price would be coming back, right? The target would be these highs right over here. So this is all just a matter of probability, right? So yeah, let's see. Euro JPY gonna flip. Euro JPY has that potential on the 45-minute time frame to just continue pushing. Euro strong, right? Could have the next push up to resistance. Right now, yeah, we could have this next push up to resistance. GJ moving up. So yeah, I sent you a chart, but it looks like you're unable to see it. Shyam Johnson. So Shyam, like I told you, right, you just have to send those last few from the /X, right? Trade God, what's up? Yo, what's good, Trade God? What's up? Welcome to the stream. First time on stream, eh? What's good? Yeah, because I can't see any chart. Will GJ continue up? So the question on GJ is, will it continue up? So now we have to look at the lower time frames, right? Because you want to see lower time frame structure form. So GJ will continue up if we're able to break this, right? Can you see the 5-minute? The previous 5-minute wasn't able to close above this level. If we start closing above this level, right, respecting those lows and highs, then we could expect GJ to continue up. Until then, we don't really know. We need GJ to show us what it's doing, right? If it shows us what's doing, yeah. Hey bro, Sanjeev, what's up? What's good? Welcome to the stream. I'm guessing this is your first time. Yes, first time. Let's go. What's good, gang? How's it going? Timothy Kimonti, did you get the MFF retry? Yup. Guys, do you all want... Okay, question to the stream, alright? Alright guys, quickly just vote in the comments. Do you think that this year New York is better or London has been better? Which session do you think y'all have enjoyed more, New York or London? Right, which session have y'all enjoyed more, the New York session or the London session? Not with me, your personal trading time. London, alright, just vote it up. Let's see how it goes, because I'm not sure. There are some days I've got banger moves on NY, and there's some trades sometimes I've got it in London. So I just feel whichever session used to set up better for me, you know, to be honest. I am asleep in NY session. Oh, Mark, alright. London, both, alright. Yeah, so it's basically whichever session set up better, right? It depends on the pair. Alright, that's true, Jewel. First time saw live trading with knowledge. Most of the channel only show back testing. Yeah, here we live trade. We back test on the weekends and we live trade on the weekdays. So yeah. Will GJ break up? Euro JPY. So now we're gonna find out what London manipulation is gonna do. Let's see what it does. Amir Sharez, good morning, my lad. What's good, Amir? Welcome back. Come on, guys, 52 of us. Let's run those likes up. Come on. I need my beauty sleep. You can't look this good without sleep. So true, Mark. Honestly, for me to get my concentration in place, I need sleep. Euro JPY continuing up. That is true. Sleep is very necessary for concentration, guys. That's one thing I'm gonna tell you, you know. I am able with a buy stop on GBP USD. All the best for that, mate. Careful with it. Guys, if you all are new here, please drop a subscribe. Join us every day over here at the London session if you're free. Oh, yeah, we just trade out here. We do our thing, you know. You know the vibe. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. Let me know if you want me to answer any questions. Go for it, ask. And now, okay, so I'm gonna end the poll. 56% of y'all said NY. Okay, which prop firm do you want me to check to test out for you? Alright, which prop firm do you want me to test out for you guys? Okay, so the options right now is the funded trader, because I've spoken to them already. Funded next. And oh wait, I got a better offer from Finotive Funding. Alright. Good to see you. Good to see you, my brother, doing these streams, always appropriating, sharing your knowledge. Thank you, man, Amir. Always nice to get that boost of encouragement, you know, from the stream. Thank you. Ta-da-dun. I got GJ buying. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, you should have bought it from down here, but for me it's just like I personally wouldn't take it, you know. For me, I want to see break of these zones. Padmavati G, what's good? How's it going? Guys, come on, let's run those likes up to 50 likes. Come on, let's show people out there how much we like it. Eh? Smash that like button. Let's move it. Euro JPY pushing on up. Euro USD continuation. Gold USD, we're waiting on gold. 1954 and 1950 flat. Whichever one breaks, that's the way it's gonna go. GJ flew, yep. EJ flew, sorry, yep. When did you start streaming? About 1 year back, Trade God. Yeah, actually 1 year to the day, if I'm not mistaken. Not to the day. 1 second, let's see. Let's see. I just built YouTube as my trading journal, to be honest. I really didn't build YouTube out for me to become a streamer. I've just literally built it out as my journal. So let's just see. 11 months ago, 10th May was my first stream. Interesting. May was my first stream. So 10th May will be our 1 year anniversary, lads. And 12th May is, you know, my birthday, so we're just gonna enjoy May for what it is. Are you looking to get into any positions during London? Yes, we are looking. We're actively looking, not gonna lie. We're actively looking to get into positions in London. Euro JPY, once we close above this level, perhaps. Look at that trade on Euro JPY. What did I tell you guys? Once we break above this level, that's 40 pips from our target. But yeah, let's see what we can do. Gold, come on, man, give us a trade. What's the reliable internet speed? This, yeah, I really don't follow that stuff, to be honest, but yeah, let's go. When's your birthday, Vis? Guys, 880 subs. Can we make it to 900 today? Come on, can we make it to 900 today? Right? Can we make it happen? Can we make 900 subs today? Let's go. What's reliable internet speed? I'm not sure, mate. I've always had a 300 Mbps line, so yeah. Oh, beautiful. 6 days before me. Let's go. Beautiful. GBP USD. Take a look at it. Alright, let's take a look at GBP USD. Guys, don't be forcing any trades just yet. Alright, GBP USD moving on up. Let's see. We haven't yet broken this 15-minute high right over here. GBP USD. I think we need a candle closure. Yeah, we need a candle closure above this level. I'd say 800, right? We're right at that 800 level, so yeah. We got some nice clean traffic. So yeah, we're actively looking for trades. Do you trade New York session or is it only London session? So we trade New York session but in a closed group. We trade New York session in a closed group. So yeah. Come on guys, let's run those likes and subs up. Let's move it to 900 today. I'll be around for another half an hour. So we have London opening in a minute. GJ has a nice closure on the 1 hour time frame, but we have this resistance right over here. EJ is the move right now, but we only have 10 seconds to close it before. That was such a good move on EJ. Gold. Nothing is closing just yet. Yeah, there's nothing really at the moment. We gotta wait for this candle to either push down and close below here. Or where else could we expect? London volume, let's see what it can do. I think EJ will continue. Made a lower wick. We broke the previous high. We should continue up. But I'm not seeing any clean trades right now. Are any of y'all seeing clean trades? I'm down 6% in my 100 and 200k accounts. The comeback is gonna be stupid. Let's go, Navi. What are we talking about? That's how we're gonna do it, eh? You trade by the 4-hour chart or just breakouts? I trade by multiple time frame confluence. Trade God. So yesterday what I did was I took the GJ sell, okay, right over here. Okay, so I took the GJ sell right over here, breaking this 4-hour low, and I had the 4-hour stops, right? But on the lower time frame it was basically the breakout, right? The 15-minute breakout of this level, right? So it's like I try to confluence everything in my trades, you know. So that's why I'm able to do it. Harry Mackin, yo, I got a lunch to get to. So my sibling is moving to the United States of America. So yeah, so that's why I gotta get to lunch today. You know the vibe when you're finally old enough and everyone's moving and stuff like that. So yeah. Euro JPY is up. Yep, Euro JPY is up, but we haven't closed above this level. You see this level? We're waiting to see what happens here. Will we reject and come back down, or will we break and continue up? Let's do this. I have a good feeling that today some banger trades are gonna come in. I'm not even gonna lie. Gold will be nice if it breaks below 1950. Trust me, gold will be absolute gold if it breaks below 1950, because 1950 is a key psychological level, right? When you break a nice key psychological level, price action really pushes it and makes it move. Yeah, come on guys, let me know where you guys are from. So we are GU closed above the resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Alright, on the 1 hour, what are we talking about? Alright, so now the 1 hour time frame. So what I would do is I would personally take this at the break of this previous high. So what you see, we've respected this previous high, right? So on GU, seeing this 1 hour candle so strong, if we have a nice wick down, right, use the current candle for stops, right? This is just my personal opinion. Also do your due diligence, lads. This is my personal opinion. So once we break this previous high, which will also be like a 4-hourly daily high, everything, you know, possible. So once we break that high, then we can expect continuation. Yeah, but do your due diligence, right? Yeah, with those wicks, right? So you want to be go above it into that clean traffic range. And so I will take, you know, GU, if it breaks up, then that makes sense, okay? But right now you can see GJ coming down, EJ coming down. You know, what are we talking about over here? So right now, if GJ comes and closes below 167,200, yeah, we should be good to go. NY the Big Apple. India, where are you from? Yo, come on, man. You asked me this yesterday also, and I told you the same thing yesterday. I'm from India. Let's go, lad. Euro USD big 33 pips W for everyone who's caught any euro pair. Let's go, chat. Beautiful trade for anyone who's got any euro pairs. For us, we didn't catch it, but I called those euro JPY buys when we broke these previous two highs to continue up. And so yeah, that was beautiful. East coast of the US. It's early here for us, man. Let's go. Yeah, that's a 15-minute resistance on GU, those wicks. Yep. So wait for it. Will gold touch 1940? If we break 1950, I'm pretty sure 1940 should be an easy tap, right? Because when gold moves, gold only likes to move 100 200 pips, right? So I think 1940 and continuation should be good. That's if we break this level. If we break this level, guys, all of us are gonna catch a banger trade on gold. You don't trade or watch New York session? We do trade and watch the New York session. Jewel facts, I'm staying up all night to catch all the pips. Let's go, trade god. That's the grind. Sacrifice your sleep, right? Do something good, but also make sure you're rested also. Look at this chart. Let's take a look at Shyam Johnson's chart. Sheesh, beautiful. That's a beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful, Shyam Johnson. Absolutely beautiful. You want to know more about my closed group? So yeah, I don't like promoting much, but it's more like a monthly subscription. Let's get 900 subs today. Come on, guys, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. It's the Banger Squad access, basically. Alright, so we live trade out Asian, London and New York. Access to the community, right? So that's the Discord members, paid channel, access to all live trading sessions, you know, access to all webinars. So this is what I really primarily focus on. Live mentorship one-on-one. That's what I primarily focus out on, because I want to do more one-on-ones in order to be able to you know, be able to communicate with you all even better, right? So weekly back testing, pre-market breakdown and analysis for every session. It's only $25 a month. I'm pretty sure it's the cheapest monthly access out there. So yeah, that's what we've been focusing on. I've been working with one of the guys all the way from Beijing, and he's been improving so much, you know. Trust me, like the trades he's catching and everything, he's just been improving like crazy. So, you know, it's a little about me. It's very little about me, but it's mostly about you, right? So, yeah, beautiful. From South Africa, we have someone. Welcome to the stream. Come on, let's go, chat. Come on, guys, run those likes up. Let's run those likes up. We're 63 of us and 47 likes. Come on. 65 of us and 47 likes. What are we doing out here? Let's move it up. You know what is kind of odd? I think it is to try out the funded trader who are so popular and known to be amazing prop firm. I think you should try out new prop firms without reputation. Alright, Resta. Okay, so Finnotive or funded next. Okay, so I'm gonna ignore the votes for the funded trader. Alright, the funded trader, because anyway next week I'm gonna be with the funded trader on one of their accounts. Okay, GJ coming down. Okay, GJ coming down. Once we break this 4-hour low, what can we expect? Okay, so that's what we're gonna see. We're gonna break this previous two 1-hour lows. So 15-minute time frame, could we expect a 15-minute time frame closure? I would have really wanted to be in this already, because we broke the previous 1-hour lows. Can we close below 15-minute time frame, half an hour time frame? I think it's best to wait for a half an hour time frame closure below this level, right? Wait for that closure below that level and then take the trade. Yeah, wait for the closure below this level, because you don't want to fake out at this level, right? This definitely looks like it's gonna continue, to be honest, but 15-minute massive candle coming down. Let's see. I'm an intraday trader. Can I join your paid See, dude, anyone can join my paid membership, right? It's like, yeah, I've been trading for like 6 years now. There's certain things I've been able to observe and utilize in the market, right? So it's about how much can you pull out of me, right? And so I'm always here to give you whatever I know, right? And so yeah, I was talking to one of my students yesterday, also one of the members of membership, and he was just basically asking me about, so much about price action and my understanding of impulse entries and where I take impulse entries and stuff like that. And so that was the important factor, because he's drawing it out of me, right? When you ask questions and you draw knowledge out of a person, that's where it's more valuable to us, because like I can't just automatically come up with knowledge, right? For y'all. So if y'all draw knowledge out of me, that's up to you, and he's been just banging trades out after that. So yeah, and that's why we encourage the community also, right? So that's the important part. So yeah, the thing is, I want to create a massive group of traders who are able to see beyond just the average support and resistance and everything. So over here what I look at is I look at multiple time frames, from all the way from the monthly right down to the daily, right, to the 30-minute, to everything. We look at everything. We don't want to be average. We don't want to settle for average, right? We want to go past average. We don't want to be like those basic guys, right? We want to go past that. So I want to create a group of traders, right? And in that group of traders, I want us to be the most amount of funded traders in that group. Like I want, amongst all the live streams, I want to have the biggest group of funded traders, right? You trade all sessions, is it? Yep. Like which sessions is the most important for you? For me, Padmavati, what I think is London session is most important for me. But what I would say is many times when London is ranging, the next session is the most important session for me. So it's not a fixed session, but I focus on London because I come for you guys, right? Shaker, what's good, lad? That's the only reason this is the most important session for me, right? Because I come here for you guys. But you're up even during Asian, right? Yep, Asian, I wouldn't say I'm using MFF Shaker, but you're up even during Asian. Yeah, I would say like, yeah, many of us are up during Asian, but Asian is just, I don't like the price action at Asian, to be honest. I just don't like the price action at Asian. Alright, look at Euro JPY 30-minute massive rejection. What are we talking about over here? Massive rejection. Okay, so let's see. could we get the continuation on GJ? Yeah, GJ is gonna be ranging over here. I think EJ may just come pull through. If we re-break these highs after that massive rejection, that's a 25 pip stop loss. No, that's not it for me. I'd wait for the next 15 minutes to retrace and then break this high, because we're expecting volume to just push it up, right? So let's see what this next 15 minute does. Yeah, but on the other sessions you don't chat with your banger squad. Of course we chat with the banger squad. Many times we're on the Discord voice channel for the Asian session and New York session. MFF, can I do payment with credit card? Will I face any problem in the future? No, you won't face. MFF is good. No problems. Zero problems. Yep, gold seems to be playing around in this region, so let's wait and watch. Just calm down. Asian is too slow for my liking, yeah. Isn't 5% daily drawdown on equity on MFF is a massive turn off? No, my question is, why are we planning to lose 5% in a day? So I think, 5% daily drawdown is really good, because I do not want to lose 5%, so yeah. Payment, oh, you mean a withdrawal, Shaker, you mean a withdrawal. You can't use credit card. No, that's a bank transfer or crypto. No. If you're talking about payment to do the challenge, I just used my debit card and I buy it. And last time I used my credit card also. Yeah, payment you can use credit card, that's not a problem. Why would that be a problem? Okay, big 15-minute rejection. I want to see a lower wick and then break of these highs. GJ also with a massive rejection. Can we get a 30-minute closure? Gold, what are we talking about? Gold, at least a 15-minute closure we need below this level. So what is the max drawdown you are willing to lose on a funded account? So me, Padmavati, in a day, not more than 3%. Not even 3%, I think 2%. Not more than 2%. You risk 1%, and yeah, if you take 2 trades, 2%. If I lose both the trades, I'm off the charts for the day, and I will come back in the next day to risk another 2%, right, in 2 different trades to give myself 2 opportunities. But no, we should not be, the 5% drawdown is not a turn off, because why would anyone lose 5% on any account, right? That should not be the goal, that should not be the target, that should not be anything. So yeah, I think gold is getting ready for the move. We need a closure again below 1950, okay? Key psychological level 1950. Yeah, you're gambling at that point if you're planning to lose more than 5%. Yeah, that's too much. That's too much of a daily loss, to be honest. Come on guys, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Let's get to 900 subs today. Let's move it to 900 subs. What do you all say? I think gold sells incoming once we close below this level, 1915. EJDC, let's go. EJ still doesn't have that bottom wick, pimpin' pips. So I'm really not convinced about it, to be honest. This 30-minute is the only reason it should continue up, but this 15-minute doesn't have that bottom wick, right? So just imagine this, okay? So now if we go up and create a top wick, okay? We go up, we create a top wick somewhere over here, whatever. And then when we come to create the bottom wick, there's no telling how far we can go. Yeah? There's no telling how far we can go, so yeah. I don't wanna join Telegram groups. We'll be in the banger squad section at 5:30 in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning usually. Indian time, of course. Placed sell stop 1949. Okay, for me, I'm just not gonna place a trade until this candle closes. I think it can move, definitely it can move continuously, but I need to see it close. We've rejected this level previously, so I need to see the close. GJ coming down, GBP, JPY coming on down. Will it continue? This should continue down, but right now we're looking at gold, so let's see what it does. GJ, are we ready for sells is what Padmavati asks. Are we ready for sells, GJ? Or are you just teasing? Let's see how this 30-minute closes. If this 30-minute closes this way, the next 30 minutes should give us a banger drop down. Gold, come on. When will you sleep? I sleep after New York session. I didn't sleep. Euro USD booming. I entered from the bottom, current 4 up. Beautiful, Azim. We spoke about Euro USD here too. Some of them caught 40 pips. 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Yeah, if I sleep lesser than that also. 10 more minutes on gold. Yep, let's just wait it out, because look, we can reject this super hard. Remember, 1950 is the key psychological level, right? Alright, 1 second. I'm right now talking to the Funded Next. Right now I'm in a conversation with the Funded Next guy affiliate. Let's send him our live stream and ask him to come over, and you can ask him any questions you want. So yeah, so if you have any questions about Funded Next, just drop your questions down in the chat. Alright, so you are sacrificing your sleep to make a bag full of money. Not really, Padmavati. That's how much I normally sleep. Even when I used to go do sports in school and stuff like that, that's how much I used to sleep. I used to sleep at 12 and wake up at 5. So it's like now it's normal. How do you identify key psychological levels? They are whole numbers. Key psychological levels are whole numbers which you've seen price react to in the past, right? So when we look at 1950 key level, can you see how many times we've reacted to 1950 key level? 1950 key level. Can you see that? That's how many times we've reacted to 1950 key level. So yeah, check this chart and give me your opinion. Let me check it out. Oh, GJ with the cells playing out. Let's go, chat. Why do I keep closing this, honestly? Trading view. I've opened my charts on the app, so that's why it's a little bit mixed up. It's... Give me a second, guys. Copy link. One second, Shyam. Let me just try it out. Alright, GBP JPY. Yes, GJ does look like it's gonna continue down from there, but remember we're retesting this daily open, right? We're retesting the daily open, so be careful. What did I tell you all about EJ? What did I tell you all about being careful on EJ? Come on, guys. Who warned you all about EJ, right? Who warned you all about EJ? Who warned you all about EJ? Come on, man. Don't give your money back to the markets. I literally told you all about EJ, right? GJ don't wanna wait for us. Let's see. Look at gold retracing. So GJ is also retracing. So what are we talking about? So you know, both of them are giving us uncertainties. EJ now, I'm not gonna lie, looks very interesting. I want this 45-minute candle to close above this level and give us a good trade. Come on, guys, drop a like and subscribe. There's 72 of us and only 55 likes. Let's get to at least 60 likes, right? Let's run it up to 900 subs today. What do you all say? Right? Let's run it up to 900 subs. Okay, so 30-minute is gonna close on GJ. Okay, in 5 minutes we want to be careful. Look at that rejection. Why do you think? Come on, who warned y'all about no impulse entries, right? On gold, right? Wait for the candle closure. And who told y'all about EJ, not buying EJ highs, right? If you want to buy EJ, wait for the candle close above this level, right? That's how it is. As you wish, Master Padmavati. Stop it. Yeah. Never impulse entries. Yep, that's just horrible at that point. Alright, let's get this 45-minute closure on EJ above 640 and we're gonna be going to the moon. I'm not even kidding. I will buy it up with you guys on EJ. Not gonna lie. Okay, let's say no to impulse entries. What do you guys say? So the only time I take impulse entries is after a candle closes above my desired zone and I want to take it above that level, right? So I wait for my candle closure. So my actual trade setup is the candle closure, but my trade entry is the impulse entry, but it's off the candle closure. I hope you all get what I mean, right? Guys, if you all aren't subscribed already, subscribe. I don't like how the market is moving these few days. Yep, the market is moving a little weird, but let's see what we can pick out, right? We're gonna be picking out trades. Okay, so GJ is a no-go. We're back above the support. And EJ, we need to wait for the closure above this level. Interesting. Alright guys, how many of y'all want me to do a 50k challenge on funded next? Put it down in the comments. How many of y'all want me to do a 50k challenge on funded next? Come on EJ, let's close above. Let's close above, lads, come on. Alright, so should I take it up? They've agreed. Yeah, 100k challenge. That I can't demand for a 100k challenge because that'll be expensive for the prop firm, right? To give out a 100k challenge. What do you all say? Come on guys, I need more of y'all to tell me about funded next. How many of y'all want me to do a 50k challenge with funded next? Right, if you're enough of y'all, I'll accept it right now. Alright, the market is always weird, you just have to be weird. I love that. I love that statement. Come on EJ, Let's go and close above. Give us a good entry. Come on. Let's move up, EJ. You have 1 minute to break those. Yeah, I'll do it with you. Funded next. Alright. You can even do a 15k challenge. We just need to see how is everything going. Alright. Alright, so shall I accept the funded next proposal? Do it? Alright. Come on. Can I do a challenge same time with you? It's up to you guys. But y'all make sure I manage it. Okay, get us up to let's do this challenge, alright? Y'all get us up to 75 likes, alright? 10 more likes from right now. Y'all run us up to 75 likes and I will accept it right now on stream with you, right? You see this? I can offer you a 50k account, alright? So I will accept it if you guys run the likes up to 75 likes. Come on, what are we talking about? Is that really hard for you guys? Run it up to 75 likes and I will do the challenge with funded next. Alright, let's go. 68 likes. What are we doing? $68. If you accept it, give me the link. I will accept it too. Alright, look at EJ. EJ closed. Let's wait for a nice bottom wick on EJ, alright? And buy stops above this level. 665, okay? We closed nicely on EJ. I'm gonna have a buy stop on EJ at, where's my magic keys? Open. Alright, my magic keys is not yet activated. I'm just gonna set a buy stop manually above that previous high at 665. Alright, you can see 665. Modify, let's go. We're gonna use the current candle for stops, okay? We're gonna use the current candle for stops. Let me activate magic keys. Please don't show up on the wrong side. Good. EJ looks really good. Alright, let's, what would our stops be? We can have our standard stops, but yeah. Alright, so this is our, oh, that's a sell stop. Okay, let's create a new template. Buy stop, waiting for bottom wick. Alright, we could reject off this level and we could continue. GJ closed back above that support. Absolutely not looking at GJ whatsoever. Gold rejected, went right back up. EJ is the only thing we have in mind, right? So this is what we're looking at right now. Let's see if we can get that activated in. 665 is where the buy stop is at. Oh, 1 to 1 as of now, right? So now if the candle goes and flips, we're gonna have 8 pip stops, right? So that's a 1.1 is to 1.25. Alright, so right now our stops are gonna be 585. Stop loss 136.585. Modify the order. Why didn't that stop loss get put in? Because that's 139. 585. All right, that's what we're waiting for. So this is gonna be a break even trigger, because once we break that, we don't want to hold anything else, right? Always show stats. Yep. So now if we continue going down, we'll have to increase our stops depending on where this candle closes. Alright, EJ. So that's my plan on EJ. Okay, we're at 70 likes, guys. 5 more likes and I will accept it. I would like to see EJ close above the previous daily high. Be careful if you take the trades. Yep, definitely. Bro, this gold. It's just that look at the nice closure we got above here. So now let it move, let it do what it has to do. So we'll see. Now we have, now look at that, that'll be a 1-to-1, exactly 10 pip stop loss, right? If that is it, 1% risk for 10 pips, right? Not above the wicks to the left. The wicks to the left will be our our break even triggers. Yeah. So there you go. You see price trying to reject and push up. Let's see what it can do. Come on. Come on, guys. 4 more likes and I will accept the funded next challenge. And I will do the 50k challenge for you guys live. Right? Come on, let's push those likes and subs up. Alright, EJ. So now we have a nice 10 pip stop. Once we break that high, we should be pushed in. Not yet. Wait for it. This looks good. This looks good. Once we break above, I can remove the sign. $665 is our level. We're in. So now we want to manage risk. Okay, so once you take the trade, you're just managing risk from there on, right? So let's go the 15-minute time frame. We have our BE trigger up there. So now where do you close half? If this 5-minute candle closes below this level, we close half. All right. If the 5-minute candle closes below this level, we close half. If it doesn't, we leave it as it is. All right. So BE trigger, yeah, would be at these previous highs over here. This looks good. I feel it's good to continue. So if this 5-minute candle closes below this level, we close half. If not, we hold and let her run. All right. That is our BE trigger right over here. When we break this previous highs, because when we break it, we don't want to come back. We just want it to continue. Let's go, EJ. Change symbol. All right, we're about 2 pips up in profit. Come on, let's break those highs and continue. Alright, who's in this trade with me? Can I have some moral support? Who's in this trade with me? Let's go. 5 minute. We are reducing our stops to 8.5 pips again. We're slowly moving. Let's see if we can get the push up. 5 minute time frame. We're in the clear. It should be good to continue. Let's see what happens. Reduce stops, lads. Just reduce stops for a second. Alright, so you should be 8 pip stops, right? You don't want to risk more than that now. Let's move to the 5 minute time frame. 8 pip stops. Yep. Come on, EJ, let's get this move on. Let's start pushing. Once we hit half our target, I think I will move stops to BE. 665, did we get it at 665? 4.5 pips. That's pretty much half our target. Alright, there you go, 5 pips. What are we talking about? Where are we going? Here's my magic keys on screen. 5.3. Come on, let's push. Give us a little bit more. Ooh, 5 minute close with no top wick. That's dangerous. Either it has a lot of volume or it's gonna retrace because there's no more range to the upside. 6 pips. Alright, stops to break even, lads. This is a risk-free trade. Let's go. 7 pips, 8 pips. What are we talking about? Come on, let's go, Chad. 9 pips, 10 pips. Alright, close 75%. Who called it? What are we doing out here? Come on. Who called the trade out here? What are we talking about? Come on. W, come on. W is in chat. W is in chat. What are we talking about? 12 pips. We're flying. What are we talking about? W is in chat. Let's go. Whoever took that trade, what are we talking about? Plain and simple, done like clockwork. I called everything about risk manage. What are we talking about? Let's go. Let's go. That's what we want to see. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Whoever's in this trade stops to break even. Whatever position you've left running, just let it run. Let it do its thing until then you're out. Right? Beautiful. There you go. I have a 0.16 cent lot left to run. Alright. And that's it for my day. Right? I'm right over here. Right, 0.16 and 13 pips up. Right over here. There you go. I'm closing it. We're done for the day. That is our trade. That's as plain as it gets. Right? That's as plain as it gets. 15 pips called on EJ. Plain and simple. EJ buys plus 16 pips. Come on, lads. Let's go. Okay, can you now explain your thinking with the trade and why you took it? Alright. Alright. Okay, guys. Yeah, actually, I gotta leave early. But do you wanna drop some banger music before I leave? Alright. Let's go, lads. Come on, let's go, Chad. Let's go, Cowboys. Okay, give me a second. Let me just add the monthly record. We have 5 wins, 2 losses, 2 break-evens, and plain and simple trade called out right over here. Nothing to lose. That's how it does. That's how we do it out here. Alright. W for the funded next thing. Also, we've hit 75 likes. What are we talking about? Let's go, chat.
That's how it's done, plain and simple. What are we talking about? Let's go. GJ, sorry, Gypsy. Why did I say GJ? Gypsy, did you catch it?
No man, waiting for reset.
Alright, peaceful. GJ, man. What are we talking about? Where are we going, chat? Where are we going with EJ? What a call. What are we doing out here? Come on. Let's go. Alright, guys. I will accept the funded next challenge. You guys are insane. I'm about to call it a stream right over here only because I gotta head out. What lot size you use? I use the 1.2 lot. Right? And so to end the stream, let's see. To end the stream, can we end the stream with a banger? Eh? Alright, you lads ready to party before we end the stream? Have a nice day, man. You deserve it. No problem, guys. 50k. We're going for the 50k funded next account challenge. Alright. Alright, guys. Fantastic session with y'all. Fantastic session with y'all. If any of you want to join us, we have Discord, we have Instagram. I'll start the funded next challenge next week. Okay, we have Telegram. Alright, feel free to join us on any of those sources, but no problem. Insane session with you guys. A lot smaller session, eh? But we were absolutely vibing. We were absolutely moving. Thank you guys. Absolutely insane. Alright, everyone ready? Let's spam some W's in chat at beat drop, alright?
Bring your business online with GoDaddy. Start by finding the right domain. There's millions to choose from. Our web hosting plans are reliable and secure. Professional email builds trust with your customers and helps grow your business. The Online Starter Bundle brings it all together to get you on